So I'm in the car waiting for my mom because she told me to come with her to the doctor's appointment, and because of COVID you can't go in. I'm starting today's video looking hella crusty. I just had class at 7 in the morning and I had to finish it here in the car, so I'm recording on my laptop. My hair looks crusty. I'm so over the purple, so over the blonde. I want to go back to dark hair. Not really, but that's besides the point. For today's video, as we are watching, I started the Darihana Nova Slim Thick workout guide. I was supposed to start it yesterday, Monday, but honestly, with classes just starting, there's a lot of assignments that have to be done by the deadlines, and especially since I'm doing school at home, I don't want to miss any deadlines or assignments and fail my classes. So it took a big ass toll from I believe 8 in the morning all the way up to 12 last night is when I was doing work. So it was all freaking day, and I didn't reserve a little bit of a time slot for me to work out. But honestly, I'm gonna do legs today, which is cool. Oh snap! It's quads and I'm gonna do quads, back, and biceps today. No problem. Right now when I get home, I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna have breakfast, then I'm gonna work out, and then I'm gonna get back to doing schoolwork. So fun. But yeah, I'm excited to see my transformation. I start my diet again today because I started yesterday, but sometimes when your man wants pizza, you lo tienes que complacer, even though I wanted to do good yesterday, but it's okay. So there's no bad days, and if you have a bad day, make it a good day. That's just life. Life gets in the way sometimes of your goals, but it's okay. You push through. Tomorrow is a brand new day. You start over. But yeah, I'm so exhausted. I'm so freaking hungry. I haven't had breakfast either. I'll make this lady buy me food because I can't with her to the doctor's. Hi, hello. Just wanted to mention, yes, if you are new, I always look crusty half of the time when I'm recording these videos. So if you are interested in looking at my crustiness while I work out and stuff, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I upload a new video. Yes, I'm also very shy and quirky. I try my best. I love to record myself, to be honest, I do. But I'm just very extremely shy. So you will see that I'm very awkward and shy throughout my videos. But if you like to just look at my transformation or whatever, just stay tuned for my videos. I will be uploading other videos, not just myself working out. I am trying to record vlogs and stuff with my husband, but sometimes it's hard because we don't really like to go out, and if we do, I don't like to record most of the stuff that we are doing anyways. But I will make sure to start vlogging and get out of my comfort zone when I'm out in public. Now let's just get on with the video. I want to say that I was not aware that my camera was not focused, but so disappointed that it didn't focus. I got a close-up of how my arms look, so I could get a close-up later in the future about my muscle definition. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone.
make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You should have seen the way that you bloomed. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise.
I want you guys to focus on my form right here. You can see that my spine is not straight and it's not neutral. So you want to avoid that, to avoid injury, but you will see that in the next workout I try my best to stop and fix my form, correct my form, so I will not hurt myself. I believe this is what happened the last time that I was doing a back exercise, and I ended up injuring myself.
Those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.
Right here is where I pause and I correct my form, and you will see what I mean, that the proper form should be when doing a back exercise like that. You see how my spine is straight and neutral. Right there I have more focus on the back muscle.
One place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night.
Okay, so that is all for today's video. I just quickly want to say and explain a little bit about what I put like in my descriptions when I did the workout. So what I mean is I am doing this whole week, week 1 of the guide, slow and controlled. I'm doing slower reps. The motion is slow and I'm controlling it so I could feel the burn more on the muscles. But besides that, so I will not hurt myself, as well as I'm using really small weights. I'm using 5-pound weights again, so I won't hurt myself. Since I'm just barely getting back into working out, I stopped working out for 2 weeks, as you guys seen. Okay, I just had to make sure that my mic was recording, that it was on, because I make the mistake that I'm talking and I don't realize that the audio is not picking up because the mic is off. But yeah, that's what I mean. I'm looking at my thing. Oh, as well as that, I'm trying to perfect my form before I up the weight again, since I did take 2 weeks off from working out, that I don't want to hurt myself. That's very important. You want to get your form correct before you move on to heavier weights. You do not want to do cocky weightlifting because you could hurt yourself. I probably learned that the hard way. Not you know what, I have not done any like showing off type of working out because I know that I will hurt myself and it's not going to benefit me, and it will take time out of me to work out, and like my progress and all that, like it's gonna get pushed back. So without that being said, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on Saturday's video. It is part 2 of week 1. I always divide my week workouts into 2 videos, so just keep that in mind, so I do not have to make really long 40-minute videos every time. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you see me wearing this in the same video for Saturday for the intro, keep in mind that I am recording today, Wednesday. It is Wednesday, September 1st. Happy 1st of the month. So if you see this in the next video, you know why. And yeah, because I did not film my outro last night. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. I did do legs and back and biceps. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier in the beginning of the video, but I did them all yesterday, Tuesday, because Monday I was just back to back with school, that I did not work out. I didn't finish like till 12 midnight from school. And I'm gonna watch Rick and Morty right now and edit the video and then have it uploading. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Ryan Little.